Okay, slight letdown, little crowded, little small. Swell hasn't really hit yet, but on to the next spot. Overtaking lane, they're all speeding up. Fancy that! Oh, look at that, they're braking. Didn't see that coming. What's the story behind the mow?
Well, actually, Nad's hair removal cream, wax rather, for your nostrils. I bought a packet of that, and it came with that.
You used wax on your nostrils?
I tried it. It wasn't my favourite hair removal
yeah, they look pretty sweet.
method.
They're pretty sweet. No affiliation. On our way to Bluff Lookout in Iluka. Just chilling for the day. Had a surf out of Iluka break wall. Wasn't great. Should have gone athletics. Fuck. Gleneth, my good man. What is this place called?
I believe it's Iluka Bluff. Oh, something like that.
Glenn is a nomad. Glenn, how long have you been a nomad?
Many moons. The moon has risen and fallen many times.
And a blood moon, I believe. You have done a blood moon. It was a blood moon the other day.
I can count them on one hand, yes.
I was actually Mount Warning for it.
Get out of town. Don't believe you. Liar. Lying. You're lying.
I did it, and I'll do it again. Yes, the Mount of Warning.
God! I shouldn't have done this! This is crazy!
Cheers to the brown side. That is the beer. we have it. That's how you do a road trip with your dog and get some waves. It's pretty fun. Just one more thing to do before I sign off. So it's Kona's birthday tomorrow and she's in for a little surprise. Hey Kona, I get you. Come on, you'll like it. Oh, it's Kona! Look at you! Oh, look at you! Good girl. Kona, he's cute. Yeah. Whew. All right. First things first. Let's clean this shit. Okay, inox. That's the stuff. So my second favorite product is WD-40. This thing works on almost everything. I used to use it on everything. I still use it on mostly everything. But if you can get inox because inox is what you're gonna want to lubricate. Let's go do it. So as you see, I've just got a little bit of rust around here that we're just gonna touch up real quick. Actually, I'm pretty much gonna go around this whole edge here. I just wanted to say how awesome dogs are. If you haven't got one, get one. But you have to love it. Say subscribe.